If you're looking for the best straightforward CapCut caption tutorial that show you how to add subtitles in CapCut, then this CapCut video editing tutorial is all you need. Meanwhile, if you need a full CapCut video editing course and mentorship, then you can click the course link in the video description and get yours right now, or you can chat me up. So let's get started. Alright, so here I am in my CapCut dashboard. All you need to do is to make sure you have CapCut installed on your phone, because we're going to be using our phone in this tutorial. So what I want you to do if you don't have CapCut is just to go to your Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store, and then you just type in CapCut, get it downloaded and installed on your phone, and then once it's installed successfully, just click on it and it's going to bring you up to this point where, as you can see here, we have new projects. So now to show you how to get your caption or subtitle for your video, of course, I want to assume you already have your video recorded and it's already in your phone. So you're going to tap on this new project button here, and then it's going to take you to your phone gallery, and then you go ahead and select that you want to set your caption or subtitle on. Okay, so I'm going to be using this video. I'm going to just select that. All right, as you can see here, I'll show you how to edit your reels in CapCut. All right, so once it's here, you want to come and tap the add button here. And what you do is going to bring you to this interface where we have all of these. Okay, so here is the video that we have uploaded, and if you have more than one video, you can go ahead and also upload more. Okay, I already treated that in the previous video I made, so you can check up that video on some of the other things I've talked about. So here what we want to do is to come down to this point here, and then you want to come in here and tap on this text icon. If you also like, you can come directly and tap on the caption icon as we have here, but let me just go from the text here. We're going to have the same result. So once I tap on that, you can see here it's bringing now this option that if I want to add my auto captions, I should do that. Of course, I don't want to add text manually. I want this auto caption here because I want it to generate caption or subtitle from what I am saying or what this video is saying. So I'm just going to tap on that, and once I do, you can see here it's asking generate from where. I want it to be generated automatically from the video. If you want it from somewhere else, just tap on this video and then it's going to tell you if you want to do it with your voiceover. Okay, but I'm fine with the video here. All right, so for spoken language, I'm going to leave it at auto detect, and as you can see here, we have templates for us to use. Now if you're using the free CapCut version, you can see here that many of these templates that you're seeing here, they are all free for you to be able to use. And if you want to see them displayed in an expanded form, just click on this arrow and then you can see what we have here. So it's simple. All you need to do is just to go through them, pick the ones that you think you love the best for your kind of video. Okay, so if I go with this particular one, I'll just tap on it. You can see here. So I'm going to come back here, and then I'm going to tap on generate here, and then I'm going to wait a few seconds for my auto caption to be generated. Okay, so I'm going to play this video and let's see what we're going to have. This CapCut tutorial video, I'll show you how to edit your reels in CapCut. All right, so I think that's beautiful, but if I want to further style this my caption or subtitle, all I need to do is just to tap on it. Okay, then I can actually move it to wherever I want it to move to. If I want it at the center, if I want it down, if I want it up, I can always do that. Okay, so once again, if I come back to this style icon that we have here and tap on the style, you can see here now that we have even more options for us to use. So if you want to change the font of this particular subtitle or caption, all you need to do is to come to the font option here, and then it's going to generate fonts for you to be able to choose from, as you can see here. So all you need to do is just to pick anyone that you think you like, if you don't like this default font that came with this particular one. So here, if I come to style, you can see here that you can also change your styling. Okay, so you can just experiment, play around them, pick the one that best suits the kind of videos you want to do. And then if I come to effect here, I can always choose if I want trending effects, if I want basic effects, if I want luminous. Okay, you can see here there are several options here for you to use. Okay, if I come to the animation spot here, you can see that I can also choose animation for this particular one. As you can see here, again, go ahead experiment it and just pick the one that think you love most. All right, so once I look at all of this and I think that I've done a good job and I'm satisfied with what I have, all I need to do now is just to make sure that I come to this save icon here, and then I'm going to tap on save. And if I play it again, requested that I should publish video editing tutorials and as a marketing channel. All right, so you can see that's what I have here. Now, if I want to export this particular one, of course, so that it can be exported into my phone, and then I can go ahead and upload it to wherever platform that I want to upload it and use on. All I need to do is to come here and click the export button, and then I'm going to wait a few moments, and then this particular one is going to be exported into my phone. Okay, so this is how to go about adding subtitles to your videos in CapCut, or what we also call the captions. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a like and help me share it so that more persons that need this particular kind of videos can get to see them. And of course, if you do, YouTube is also going to recommend this video to more people. And if you're here as a visitor and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, here I create marketing videos and every other kind of tutorials that will help your marketing, either as a product or a service seller, or you are a freelancer, or you're a content creator. You will need the kinds of information that I share on my channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when the next video drops. Thank you.